And now I'm going to put on the Ardell Dummy Wispy on my right eye and keep the AliExpress lash on my left eye. So once again, this is the Ardell Dummy Wispy and this is the AliExpress one. Literally, I can't even hold all of these lashes. Hey everyone, it's Angela, and in today's video I'm going to be trying out a bunch of AliExpress eyelashes that I purchased from their site. I got so many, I'm going to show you guys, don't worry, and I'm actually wearing some of them right now. I absolutely love how they look. I think they look so nice and they're so cheap. Some of these 10 packs were like $1 or $1.50, so each individual lash was literally 15 cents. So when I was purchasing these lashes, I was desperately looking through reviews, trying to find pictures of people wearing the lashes, and those pictures were so helpful for me in deciding on what lashes I wanted to buy. But I thought making this video would be super helpful for you all if you're thinking about purchasing AliExpress eyelashes. I did want to mention that this video is not sponsored at all. I bought this with all of my own money, but I'm a makeup artist and I'm always in need of eyelashes. So I just wanted to test this website out, and I really wanted to try on all these lashes for you guys. And I'm even going to put the Ardell Dummy Wispies that you can get from CVS on one eye and the AliExpress lashes on the other eye to kind of battle them out and see the differences between the two. So if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. That would mean so much to me. And without further ado, I'm just going to jump into the video. Okay, so let's just jump right into everything. I literally have so many lashes here. You guys are gonna laugh at me. I'm gonna show you. I have this stack, and then, oh my god, you guys have no idea. Literally, I can't even hold all of these lashes, and there's still 3 more packs down there. So I have a lot to try on for you guys today. So I'm just gonna start off with these lashes. They come in a really cute container. I'll show you. And don't worry, I'm going to leave all of the information and like the seller and everything on the screen right now for each lash that I try on. And I'm also going to leave all the information in the down bar with the link to purchasing these lashes if you would like to. This video is not sponsored at all. So this first one is this cute pink packaging. There's 10 lashes in the pack. And as you guys can probably tell right away, they really remind me of the Ardell Dummy Wispies. So I love the Ardell Wispies, and that's why I decided to buy these. So I'm going to show you a close-up of these. So I'm just gonna go ahead and try these lashes on. I have noticed already that the band is pretty long, so you're gonna need some small scissors to cut it to fit to your eye. So far, the band seems pretty flexible and not stiff, which was what I was kind of worried about, and it's really thin, and that's what I prefer personally. So I'm just gonna take my scissors and cut off this excess band. Okay, so the lashes are on, and honestly, they're really not that bad. They remind me of the Ardell Dummy Wispies a lot. So I'm gonna let you guys look at what they look like. They are a bit dramatic for my taste, but I do still like them a lot. And now I'm going to put on the Ardell Dummy Wispy on my right eye and keep the AliExpress lash on my left eye. So I'm going to take off the AliExpress lash very gently. Ow. Now I'm taking my Ardell Demi Wispies and going to test it out. I'm curious what they look like on next to each other. So this will be interesting. Alright, so I have the Ardell Demi Wispy right here, and I'm going to apply this to my right eye and compare it with the AliExpress one. All right, it's on. Here's the Ardell Demi Wispy and the AliExpress Wispies. Honestly, I don't think they're that different. I'm pretty impressed because a pack of Ardell Demi Wispies are really expensive, as you guys know, and you only get a pack of 5. And then with this one, it's like $1 for a pack of 10. So honestly, I can't complain. I do see a little bit of a difference. I feel like the AliExpress one is a little bit more rigid, and the cutting, like you can see, it's a little bit more rigid, but I love the crisscross of it. And then this one maybe is a little bit fuller, but yeah, I really like both of them and I can't complain honestly for the price. So I'm really impressed with that. I'll show you guys a close-up. So once again, this is the Ardell Demi Wispy and this is the AliExpress one. So now that I've done that and compared both of them, I'm going to move on to these lashes. They have a little bit of a different look to them, but I'm going to take off both of these and put on these lashes. I'll leave all the information about these on the screen right now, and once again, everything will be linked below too. So it has a similar packaging with the little stickers, and these look really comfortable and light. So this is what they look like close up. And the front of the case is so cute. It has this little heart right there, and it says Taiwan on it, so I guess that's where it's made. But I did want to mention that these came from China, and they came in 2 different boxes because I think they were from different sellers. The individual lashes were from one seller, and then the strip lashes were from another, I believe. But yeah, the shipping took a little while, probably about 3 weeks to a month, but I thought it was worth it because I have lashes to last me probably for years, so I didn't really mind waiting, and it was obviously super cheap. So now I'm gonna take off these lashes that I have on now and put these ones on for you guys. Okay, so we have the same thing going on with these sets of lashes. The band is extra long, but black this time. So yeah, I'm just gonna have to trim it, no big deal. I usually have to trim them anyway, so I'm just gonna trim that. Okay, so these lashes are on, and I'm honestly so pleasantly surprised by these. These aren't usually my style of lash. I always wear wispy lashes, but I think these look so sultry and beautiful. Once I got both of them on, I was so pleasantly surprised, like I said. So I really love these, and I could honestly see myself wearing these again for like a really fancy occasion, and they're very comfortable. I did trim them like I told you guys, so I'm just gonna go close up so you can see what they look like. They really do give like that cat eye effect. They are tapered, so they're shorter in the inner corner and then they get longer as it goes out, and that's the type of lash that I definitely like. I don't really always like when the lashes are like super long in the inner corner. I just think it looks funny and not natural. So these are amazing. So this is what they look like from far away, and hopefully you got a good feel for what they look like on, because now I'm gonna take these off and test out the individual lashes that I bought. So let me show you guys. So these are the individual lashes that I got. Once again, don't worry, I'll show you the seller and everything. And these are the 8mm ones. So I probably got like 5 packs of these, and then I literally got like 15 packs of the 10mm ones. So I thought the 10mm would be like a happy medium number for my clients. Usually I like to put the shorter individual lashes in the inner corner and then slowly make the individual lashes longer. So I would use the 8mm in the inner corner, the 10mm for the center of the eye, and then the 12mm, which I got as well, for that outer corner to really accentuate the outer corner, which I think is so pretty. So these are the 10mm, and they're definitely a little bit longer, so that is nice. Same packaging. And lastly, here is the 12mm packaging. Yeah, I can definitely tell these are a lot longer compared to the 8 and 10mm ones. I'm putting them side by side, and they're definitely a lot longer. They're really pretty. So yeah, these are the 12mm ones. These will look really nice in the outer corner. All right, so I'm gonna take off these lashes now and do the individual lashes for you guys. Okay, so I'm gonna do the individual lashes for you all. I really didn't want to do them, honestly, and put them on, but I know that when I was purchasing these lashes, I was digging for people that posted pictures of these individual lashes, so I really know that it will probably help someone out there when purchasing these individual lashes. So I'm gonna try them on for you guys, and it might take a while to stack on all these individual lashes, but we're gonna do it. Like I mentioned earlier, I am a certified makeup artist, and my brides absolutely love individual lashes. That's pretty much all they wear, and I think it's nice for brides to look really natural and fresh and glowy. So I'm going to test out these individual lashes and see how I like them. So I'm just going to dip them in my glue on my hand and then place them onto my eye. Okay, so both eyes are done, and I know you guys came here for my patience because that took a while. I used all 3 packets and I finished the individual lashes, but they turned out really nice. I'll show you guys close up. And those were the last types of lashes that I bought from AliExpress. So that concludes this video, and if you did like it, please give it a big thumbs up because I put a lot of effort into this video, and I really hope that you guys found it to be helpful. And don't forget to subscribe as well because I have some really exciting videos coming up in the near future, and I will see you all on my next video. Bye everyone.